Hello guys. Well, I'm still waiting for uploading. So we try the number 4. And the key. Working. And the vise. And the same tension and picks as on 2 and 3 challenge locks. Okay. And start from the back. Slowly feel the pins. 2. A little click. Now 2 must go higher, yes. So now feel the back again. 5, I think. No. 4. Yes, full set. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 wanna go. Counter rotation, yeah. And that's, I think they say that's a spool. Okay. Maybe number 1 is not there. Okay. That was quick. When I tried these ones before, it's not so quick, so I might have touched some pins when I'm going in with the pick. So that's all the pick bed challenge locks, and I think they is very nice to pick for well, I'm calling myself a beginner, and it's very nice to sit and pick them all. You get a really nice feeling for the locks. So thank you Pick Bear for doing this, and thank you MB15 for sending me these locks. So now the 4 ones will go to anyone else. So that's will go on the forum. Goodbye.